Welcome back to WordPress 101. In this video, we'll talk about how to add new functionality to your WordPress site through the use of plugins. Plugins allow you to add all kinds of new features to your WordPress site that don't come standard with the default installation. There are thousands of plugins for WordPress, and it's easy to find and install new plugins with just a few clicks. The Installed Plugins screen is where you can view the plugins that are currently installed on your site and choose which plugins you want to activate. Out-of-date plugins are the #1 reason WordPress sites are hacked, so it's a good idea to enable automatic updates. Then you can rest assured your site will always remain up to date with the latest bug fixes and security updates. The Akismet Anti-Spam plugin by Automatic is installed by default, and it's probably the best way to protect your blog from comment spam. To activate this plugin, click the Activate link and then set up your Akismet account to get your API key. To add a new plugin, select Add New under the Plugins menu or at the top of the Plugins page. Here, you can search for and install plugins from the WordPress plugin directory. Just like the process for finding a new WordPress theme, you can browse featured plugins, view the most popular plugins, or even see a list of recommended plugins based on other similar sites. There are thousands of plugins available to add all kinds of functions to your WordPress site, including e-commerce, SEO, contact forms, and even page builders. But there are also thousands of commercial plugins available for purchase from independent developers. So if you've purchased a commercial plugin, you can upload the .zip file directly from your computer's hard drive. You can also search for specific plugins by keyword, author, or tags. But you might begin with the all-in-one Jetpack plugin. It's created by Automatic, the same company who runs WordPress.com. And it supercharges your site by adding dozens of helpful features at once, from 24/7 security monitoring to backups, faster performance, customization, and other tools to help you promote and even earn revenue from your site. You can learn more about Jetpack from their website at jetpack.com. When you're ready to install the plugin, just click Install Now. WordPress will automatically download and install this plugin, and when it's done, activate it, and then set up the options you want to use on your site. With more than 50,000 plugins in the WordPress plugin directory, plus thousands more available for purchase, it's likely there's a plugin for just about any feature you need to make your site completely unique.